sweeping up the debris as this central Colombo neighborhood wakes up after a police curfew following violence which started on Saturday. It began with a disagreement over the relocation of a mosque. A group of Sinhala Buddhists stormed the building during evening prayers and attacked several nearby houses.
Residents of these communities have always been united and lived alongside each other. But when they come and start attacking us for no reason, our people are not going to accept it.
Some members of the Sinhala community took issue with the relocated mosque, not knowing or caring that it had been approved by the relevant authorities.
They said this wasn't a new mosque, but a storage area, but inside it was a big mosque.
The assault was the latest in a series of attacks against Muslim establishments, which have been carried out by groups who say Sinhalese Buddhist culture and identity are under threat. Extremist elements appear to be taking their cue from what Muslim leaders describe as a lukewarm and ineffective response on the part of law enforcement authorities to anti-Muslim attacks. They are urging the government to act decisively to stamp out intolerance. Muslim members in the cabinet issued a joint statement, urging President Mahinda Rajapaksa to take action to halt the trend of religious hatred towards the Muslim community.
The silence of the majority is taken to be acquiescence by these groups, and this is what is so damaging to a country which is very mature and which has a long culture of coexistence.
Hakim's cabinet colleague Champika Ranavaka, the chairman of the National Heritage Party, toured the area on Sunday.
These problems can be resolved. This mosque has been near this Buddhist temple for decades. It'll be there in future. Everyone must be sensitive when new religious places are opened.
Representatives of the two sides have agreed that the old mosque would be returned to the local community. But the sooner authorities act to stop the spread of bigotry, the better for a country still recovering from more than 25 years of conflict. Minna Fernandez, Al Jazeera, Colombo.